Hello students, today we are going to perform the ninth practical of your manual, that is verification of truth table for different logic gates. Here we are going to discuss 6 logic gates, that is AND gate, then its reverse, that is NAND gate, OR gate, its reverse, that is NOR gate, then NOT gate, that is inverting gate, and XOR gate. These are the truth table of all these 6 gates, and we are going to perform this practical on a ready kit that is available in our laboratory. Here you can see that we have AND gate, OR gate, XOR gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, and NOT gate. All the 6 gates that we have discussed are available here. So first let us have a look at the truth table of each of the gate, and simultaneously one time we will have a look at truth table of one gate, and at the after discussing that gate we will be performing its practical on the kit. So first let us take the AND gate. So as you have studied in theory class, AND gate will give only effective output when both of its input are 1. So let me say that these are two inputs of AND gate. A is first input, B is second input, and output of AND gate is indicated here. So if I am giving logic 0 to the first input, or I can say this is a false. So if I am giving false to first input, and to B, that is second input, also I am giving 0 logic or false, then because both are 0, the output of AND gate will become 0. Similarly, I am keeping input A to be 0, and now I am changing input B from 0 to 1, but because it is AND gate, multiplication of these two will happen, and 0 into 1 will give 0 again. So I can say that AND gate is equal to multiplication gate also. Again, if I keep A is equal to 1 but change B to 0, then my output will be 0 again. 1 into 0 will be 0. And finally, when I give 1 1 or true true to both the inputs of AND gate, then only my output will become 1. So this thing we are going to visualize on the kit that is available with us also. First, let us I'm removing all the connections, and we will be doing the connections again. Okay, so we are discussing about AND gate. A and B, these are two input terminals of the gate. Y will be the output terminal, and we have to give logic either 0 or 1 logic to that, and that logic is available on right hand side of this kit. So this is logic 0. If I am giving input from this to AND gate, it will give 0. If I am giving input from this to AND gate, it will give 1. So 0 1 logic is available, I will be giving there, and output indication will be obtained here. So let us check AND gate first. So I am taking logic 0 initially and giving to input A, then I am taking logic 0 again and giving it to input B, and I am taking output and giving it to output indicator. So this is completion of my circuit. Now I am switching on the main supply, power is on, but because 0 0 are given to AND gate, my output indicator is 0. I am not getting any output. Again, I am changing one of the input B to 1. I am changing input B to 1. Again I am switching on, power is on, but output indicator is 0. Now further I will keep input B as 0 and changing input A as logic 1. Again I am indicating, switching on, output indicator shows me 0 because one of the inputs to the logic gate AND is 0. Now I am giving logic 1 to both of the gates. Logic 1 is given to A, logic 1 is given to B. and when I switch on, now 1 into 1 will give me 1. So this is operation of AND gate. Similarly, let us come back to our truth table. Now similar to AND, we have reverse of that, that is NAND gate. So in that case, what was happening? When any of the input was 0, if either A or B, any of one was 0, output was 0, but output was 1 only when A and B both were 1. But in this case it will be reverse. Inverted AND gate also I can say, it's a NAND gate. So in this, when both input are 1, then output will be 0. Otherwise, if any of the input is 0, output will be 1. So 0 0 will give me 1, 0 1 will give me 1, 1 0 will also give me 1, but 1 1 will give me 0. So this is NAND gate. So let's check it here again. I'm going to NAND gate. This output indicator connecting to Y, that is output of NAND gate. Logic 1 and logic 1, I am giving both logic as 1 to NAND gate and switching on the supply. So theoretically I should get 0 and switch on gives me 0. Output indicator shows 0. But if any of the input, if I change to 0 and if I switch on, then it gives me logic 1 as output. Further, if I change both input to 0, again I will be getting 1 output. If I keep input B as logic 1, input A as logic 0, again I am getting the same output as 1. So this is inverse of what we observed in AND gate, and that is why it is known as NAND gate, knotted AND gate, inverted AND gate. So this is it. Next we will be coming back to truth table. Let us observe truth table of OR gate. In this you can observe that input A, if I am giving 0, and at the same time input B, if it is 0, my output will be 0. So I can say this is a summation gate, 0 plus 0 is 0. और होता है दोनों में से कोई भी एक चीज़ अगर आप 1 रखते हैं या दोनों 1 है, then only it will be 1. If both are 0, then my output will be 0. So 0 0 will become 0, 0 1 दोनों में से एक 1 है, it will become 1. Here also 1 0 will become 1, 1 1 will also give me output as 1. So let's verify this truth table in our kit. This is OR gate, and two inputs that we have given are both logic 0 initially. Here logic 0 both are given to input of OR gate, and output indication we have take. So when I switch on this, I am getting 0. Output of OR gate. 0 0 is input, output is also 0. If I change one of the input, let us say input B, I have changed from 0 to 1, and I am switching on, I am getting 1 as output, because one of the input is now 1. Further I will interchange, I am keeping this 0 and making input A is equal to 1. Again when you switch on, it will give you 1 as output. If both the inputs are 1, 1 1 will also give me output is equal to 1. So this is about OR gate. OR gate. We have verified the truth table of OR gate using this logic kit. Next we will be talking about NOR gate, that is inverted or negated OR gate. It will be giving reverse output than OR gate. This truth table of NOR gate. as we can see, this is reverse of what we got in OR gate. Here if any of the input was 1, we were getting 1. When both were 0, then only 0 was there. But in NOR gate, we will be getting one output only when both the inputs are 0. If any of the input is 1, our output will be 0. So here there was 0 1 1 1, but in this case this will be 1 0 0 0. So if both are 0 0 0, then only my output will be 1. If 0 1, then also 0. 1 0 will give me 0, and 1 1 will also give me 0. So this is reverse the case of OR gate. So let's check out on the kit. Taking output of NOR gate to indicator. Inputs also I am changing. So right now both the input that we have given are logic 1. So when I switch it on, my output indicator will show 0 1 1 0. Now I am changing out input B to 0, but because my other input is 1, again I am going to get 0. Let me switch over. Input B set to 1, input A set to 0. Again one of the input is 1, output is supposed to be 0. That is verified. Now my output will be 1 only when both the input given to A and B are 0. Then you can see that our output becomes 1. So this is how we have verified the truth table of NOR gate. Next comes NOT gate. So NOT gate is simply a reverting gate. मतलब if input is 0, output will be 1. If input is 1, output will be 0. Inverting gate. So now we need only 2 wires, one at input, another at output. So I am connecting logic 0 to the input of NOT gate. I am connecting output indicator over here. So because my logic is 0, I must get one output indication. So this is how I am getting one output indication. Let me change it. Input I am setting 1 instead of 0. So I should get 0 as output. So this is verified. If I am giving 1 logic at input, I am getting 0. If I am giving 0 logic at input, I am getting 1. So it will invert its input. This is truth table of NOT gate. If it is 0, it will be 1. If input is 1, output will be 0. That's it. Simple. Next and final gate that we are going to discuss is XOR gate. This is exclusive OR gate. This will be giving output 0 when both input are same. If both the inputs are 0, then also output will be 0. If both the inputs are 1, then also output will be 0. If both input are different, then only my output will be 1. So 0 0 matlab false false will become false. False and true, if two inputs are different, output will be 1, or true. True false, true, 1 0 will become 1. Again double 1 will become 0. This also we can verify in our logic gate trainer kit. So this is my NOR gate. I am giving logic 0 initially as input A. XOR gate, logic 0 to input A, logic 1 to input B. So because these two are different, output indication that I am going to get must be 1. So let us verify. Yes, we are getting in output as 1 because two logic are different. Now let me make two logic same. Input B I am changing to logic 0. So I have changed A and B equal to 0. So output is 0. Further, let me change both the input to logic 1 at same logic level. then also my output must be 0. This is verified. Again I am changing one of the output input to another logic level, my output is 1. So this is how we have verified exclusive OR gate also, which will give output as 1 only when two input are at different logic level. So this is how we have verified all the 6 logic gates through this logic gate trainer kit. Thank you.